Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. Let's continue talking about temperature, different surfaces and temperature, measuring air temperature. Look at this object that is here. This is an instrument. This is an instrument used to measure temperature.
That's
What is the name of this instrument?
I don't know the name.
This one.
I remember that is something that is like that they put you in here or in the mouth to measure how. Oh yes. You say calentura in English.
Fever.
Thermometer. If you have
Thermometer,
fever,
exactly.
I think they put you something in the mouth that is a thermometer, and they say
it measures temperature. When you have fever.
And they see if you are with fever.
Okay, let's look at this one. Different surfaces and temperature. We have blacktop, cement, buildings. It's one of those really hot days. You decide to go swimming. In your bare feet, descalzos, you walk across the pavement toward the lake. Jake, what happened when you walk bare feet on the sand? Sun is extremely hot and can burn your feet. The pavement is hot. You run to the beach. Ooh, that's what we used to do. The sun is almost as hot. Quickly, you head for some grass. Sorry, but I need to continue. Oh, that's better. The grass is much cooler than the sun or the pavement. Why do some surfaces stay cool while other surfaces get hot? The sunlight falls equally on all of them. However, different surfaces absorb different amounts of light energy. Okay? Some surfaces get hot faster than others. Blacktop, cement, and buildings warm quickly. Large bodies of water warm slowly. Warmer surfaces heat the air above them more than cooler surfaces do. During a summer day, the ocean in the picture heats up more slowly than the land around it. The air above the ocean will stay cooler than the air above the land. The cool air above the ocean may move over the land. Then the air temperature above the land becomes cooler, but the land farther from the ocean stays warmer. So what does it say in here? Solid surfaces, digamos que stay warmer than water. El agua no se calienta tanto como lo sólido, como la tierra. And the temperature and those things, and the temperature in objects stay hotter than water, than liquids. Measuring air temperature. Air temperature is measured using a tool called a thermometer. Some thermometers are a tube with liquid inside. Liquid inside. This one, the liquid goes up, rises up when the temperature is hot, and goes down when the temperature is cool. When the air around the liquid gets warmer, the liquid gets warmer. Then the liquid expands or spreads out and moves up the thermometer. When the air around the liquid is cooled, the liquid contracts. Contracts to pull together, so se une. Entonces the level goes down. Find the letter C on the thermometer. is here, right? Alan, you are not watching the screen. Alan. Here says find the letter C on the thermometer. It's here, right? C. On the right of the thermometer. The letter C stands for Celsius. That's what it means. Degrees Celsius.
Right now on the computer appears that we are in 28.
Okay.
Celsius.
That this little circle, this one, se lee degrees. Degrees Celsius. Because there is another scale. Hay otra escala. In English, people in English measure temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Isabella, where do you go? Okay, for Celsius, a metric scale for measuring temperature. The tube is marked on a scale of degrees. This one, 10 minus 10 degrees, 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees. Anna, what are you looking at? Is someone with you? Each mark on the thermometer is for 5 degrees Celsius. A higher number means warmer temperature. Okay? Yesterday, I heard that San Pedro Sula was at 40 degrees Celsius. Yesterday was a very hot day in San Pedro Sula. So, the higher the number, the warmer the temperature is. A lower number means cooler temperature. When it is cold, when it is a fresh day here, sometimes we got 20 degrees and it's a fresh day. A lower number means cooler temperature. What temperature does the thermometer in the picture shows in degrees Celsius? What is the temperature in this thermometer? What is the temperature in this thermometer?
30 degrees Celsius.
But 30 is here.
Oh, it can be, but it's not.
It is between 30
like
and 40.
25.
No, because 25 is between 20 and 30. Might be here. And this one is between 30 and 40. If you count from 30 to 40, nunca va a llegar a 25. What number?
45.
35. Thank you. You are the only one who think about.
If I say that before, I say 35.
35. Oh, I heard 25. 35. Okay. 35 degrees. This is the information you need to copy. Go ahead, please. It is the same. It is the same. It is the same topic. How to sunlight affect air temperature. So you can copy the chart. You can copy. Yes, Alan, please. Make the chart. Draw the chart. Draw the chart here. The chart. And copy the words. And then number one. The number one, air temperature is measured with tool called, what's the name of that tool to measure temperature? What is
thermometer? Thermometer.
Thermometer, yes. Number two, a higher number means, how is it?
Warmer.
Warmer temperature, yes. A lower number means cooler temperature, yes. And the last one is Celsius, is a metric scale for measuring temperature. Celsius is a metric scale for measure temperature. The information you are copying here is going to be useful to do your assessment. The assessment is 5 points, has 10 exercises, has very nice illustration. It is what we saw yesterday about shadows is going to be evaluated in the exercise. The number 5, why do some surfaces stay cool while other surfaces get hot? Who was not here in class, you said? Let me find out who's not. Adriana, Alan, Crystal.
Diego is not, or I think so.
Yeah, Diego's not. Okay, thank you. Diego's not. Adriana, what happened? Oh, Diego is here. Pretty late. 20 minutes late. Okay. So why? Sunlight falls equally on all of them. Sunlight falls on surfaces, on every point or on a place. This is the information you have to copy, Diego. But different surfaces absorb different amounts of light energy. Some surfaces get hot faster than others. Oh, here there is a mistake. Correct the mistake here, please. It's done with H. It's missing a letter H. Then, no, this is difficult. Then, here. Then, this is lowercase, like that.
You get out of the screen.
Now, can you see it? Yes. Get hot faster than others. Different, hurry up, Diego. This is a lot of information. Different surfaces, like pavement.
Like, I know the answer of the 6.
Like concrete, like sand. If you walk on the ground, en tierra, the ground, for example, soil, yeah, get hot, but not a sun. Sun is, oh my God. Sometimes it is unbearable.
Like 1,000.
Maybe not 1,000 degrees.
Oh, yes. Yes,
but like, the problem is that it is unbearable. Es insoportable. Es demasiado caliente. And if you don't run,
go there, you die. And
no, if you don't run, you're gonna get burned. Usted va a quedar con algo, con cierta quemadura en su piel. So you need to run. Instantly. Eso es you react instintivamente, because if you feel that sun is very hot, you're not going to stay there. No se va a quedar parada. So usted va a reaccionar por instinto. You are going to run because you need to save your feet from that temperature. And as I said, as it says here, sunlight falls equally on all type of surfaces, but sand keeps warmer than the ground, que la tierra, por ejemplo. Now, the second one gives some example of surfaces that get hot very fast. What are they, Maria Jose?
What? For example, it's a sunny day and you're, for example, near a pool. Then you step near the pool and it's too hot because the sun is ¿cómo se dice? Cayendo. Oh, looking. Where are you? Looking,
yeah, but
where are you?
He says, give some example of surfaces. Blacktop, cement, building, sand, metal. Oof, imagine metal. Very, very hot.
Oh, and sometimes, like when you're near a house and there's like cement, it's too hot, or metal.
Okay. The cement gives some examples of surfaces that warm slowly. Surfaces that warm slowly, like water, grass, bodies of water.
Yeah, because
oceans.
It doesn't matter that the sun is looking to the pool. It's not gonna get warm in like this. It's gonna take a lot of time.
Miss, these are the questions that appear in the homework.
Some of them, a higher number means warmer temperature, for example. Yes, it's gonna help you to answer the homework. It's going to help you. It is gonna help you. Okay, so water gets warmer, yeah, but slowly, not like sun. If water and sun get warm at the same level of temperature, ooh, we cannot swim in the water.
Yeah,
it's
gonna be, for example, like dangerous water that you can.
Yeah, too extremely hot. Si el agua se calentara como se calienta la arena, no podríamos bañar because it will be too hot. Think about it. Isabella, you have to send me picture because this is a lot of information and we don't have more time.
You know that the people in Russia, they are already, how you say, acostumbrados?
Get used to.
Used to the cold.
They can
swim
in very cold water. Yeah, that's true. I
want to be a Russian.
Wow. I don't think so. That's true. Oh, and very low temperature also burn the skin. Not only fire, not only hot things.
Well, for example,
cold things.
Let's say that you're in Russia and you're from another country and you're not used to cold. Then you leave your hand a lot of time in the snow and then it's gonna like starting burning.
Yes, that's what happened. Ice burned the skin, not only the fire. So Isabella, I was saying, you moved from your chair. You haven't copied anything, so you can start copying, but you have to send me the picture into Schoology because you're not gonna finish. Okay?
Okay.
So with this one, we finish the class. Don't forget to do the homework. I am going to publish the homework today. Okay, guys, so thank you for your attention.